The Garmin Edge 830, released in 2019, is a popular cycling computer known for its touchscreen interface and GPS tracking. However, many users experienced frustrating touchscreen lag, where taps and swipes were slow to respond. This video explains how Garmin addressed this issue through firmware updates, significantly improving the user experience. We'll explore the causes of the lag, the solutions implemented, and the current state of performance. Touchscreen lag occurs when there's a delay between your touch and the device's reaction. In the Edge 830's case, the lag stemmed from software inefficiencies. The device's processor was overburdened handling GPS data, app integrations like Strava and Zwift, and displaying the user interface simultaneously. Early firmware lacked proper multitasking optimization, leading to performance drops, especially during demanding rides. Garmin addressed the touchscreen lagging issue on the Edge 830 through iterative firmware updates. A key update was firmware v14.0, released in October 2024, which introduced Adaptive Touch Response, or ATR. This AI-driven algorithm dynamically adjusts touchscreen sensitivity based on ride conditions such as speed, terrain, and glove usage. ATR reduces lag by up to 50% by prioritizing UI threads over background tasks. Beyond adaptive touch response, other firmware updates included improved data buffering to reduce stutters when switching between screens. Better hardware-software integration was implemented to efficiently use the Edge 830's 2 GB of RAM. These optimizations balanced power efficiency with responsiveness, ensuring smoother performance without significantly impacting battery life. Compatibility fixes were also implemented for third-party apps to reduce background processing strain. Real-world examples show the impact of these firmware fixes on professional and everyday cyclists. Professional cyclist Alex Johnson experienced a 40% improvement in touchscreen responsiveness after updating to firmware 14.0 during the 2024 Tour de France. A user-led study on Reddit found that average touchscreen lag time dropped from 300 milliseconds to under 100 milliseconds following firmware updates. These case studies highlight the practical advantages of firmware fixes, enhancing data accuracy and overall user experience for cyclists. Experts commend Garmin's software-focused approach. Bike Radar noted that the Edge 830's firmware fixes transformed it into a benchmark for touchscreen cycling computers. Wearable Tech Review highlighted ATR as a game-changer for glove-wearing cyclists. Garmin's data indicates that 92% of Edge 830 owners reported significant or complete resolution of lagging after updates, with a 25% faster touch response rate compared to older firmware. The Edge 830's lag fix exemplifies a broader trend in cycling technology towards software-centric improvements. Garmin plans to incorporate machine learning for predictive performance tuning by 2027. Increased reliance on cloud-based firmware and integration with 5G accessories are also anticipated. These advancements promise smarter, more responsive cycling tech, with firmware playing a critical role in extending device lifespan and enhancing user experience. However, challenges like app ecosystem bloat may require stricter app certification to maintain optimal performance.